For daily use, place your DreamStation Go on a firm, flat surface at a slightly lower level than your sleeping position. Make sure the device is plugged in and that air can flow freely around it. Your DreamStation Go comes with a built-in USB port that can be used to conveniently charge your mobile devices. To begin, put on your mask and headgear. If you have questions about your mask, please refer to the mask instructions. Connect the tube to the device and mask. Press the Therapy On/Off button on the top of the device to turn on the airflow and begin therapy. The current delivered pressure will display on the screen. DreamStation Go has ramp features that your device supplier may have enabled. To stop or restart ramp, simply tap the ramp icon on the display screen. You can do this as often as you like during the night. In the morning, when you are finished with your therapy, you can turn it off by pressing the Therapy On/Off button or placing your finger on the display touchscreen for 3 seconds. With therapy turned off, you can make adjustments to your ramp starting pressure. Swipe the navigation screen to My Comfort and tap to select. Tap to select the ramp icon. If you don't see the icon, ramp is not enabled on your device. Swipe to increase or decrease the ramp start pressure in 0.5 centimeter increments. Tap to save the change. During your next therapy session, you will see the new starting pressure when you tap the ramp icon. Innovation and you. Philips Respironics.